Claus has taken over Santa's workshop. He plans to deliver bombs and guns to children instead of, you know, dolls and trucks or whatever it is kids from your time like. The elves have mounted a resistance, but they will fail unless you help them. If Claus succeeds, the holidays are doomed. You must stop him.
Here we are. My workshop is just ahead. Though it's hard to say what Claus has turned it into.
Is Mrs. Claus gonna be okay?
Oh, I wouldn't worry. If I know my wife, I bet she's decking the halls as we speak. Those savages have set my prized hive aflame. And is that dancer? Prancer, oh no. Oh no. Oh, sweet Cupid. Vixen, what have they done?
Santa, hit the deck!
I didn't come here to observe, child. I'm taking the North Pole back.
Yes, Santa, you tell him!
Santa! Big Christmas here.
What's going on, Pencil?
Claus has taken over the workshop. He's turned Twinkle and the boys from shipping and receiving against us.
Claus isn't going to get away with it.
Twinkle even created a fleet of evil mechanical reindeer.
So this is where the reign of mechanical animals began. Looks like the workshop is ahead.
Mary has enacted emergency shutdown.
Your little fella mentioned Robo Deer. Where are the stables? And